Monday 19th of January 2015. We're going to test out this 4-door commercial glass refrigerator, which I am preparing to put up for sale. As you can see, I've got a lot of thermometers in there before startup, just to validate working temperature. So I've got some hanging in the ceiling. Okay, let's fire her up. Let's see how long she takes. Now 448. It's pretty quiet. I also have a 3-door, which I will be hopefully to put online soon. Then I just have to put back together again and give it a test. It's funny how the fan in the video makes it look slow. In real life it's actually spinning quite fast. Might have to make a part 2 because I don't know how many minutes I can stick on YouTube. So we'll just make this part 1 for now. Hopefully, unless I make a part 2 video and edit it onto part 1, which becomes one whole clip. We'll see how we go for time. 5:01, Monday 19 January. Part 2, I had a phone call which disrupts the recording, but to show that the time is still going, I'll just be adding this to the original part 1. So it's still going, fan, compressor. I think some of my top thermometers are out of adjustments. Alright. And I don't think the thermo's moving properly. These two are. Main aim of this test also is to make sure that the thermostat is working, period, meaning that when the fridge gets to the right coolness of temperature, the compressor and fan usually turns off and stays off for a period of time until the temperature rises, in which the compressor and fan have to come back on again to maintain the fridge's temperature. These are my new skateboards, or trolley dollies. I call them skateboards. Do a pretty good job holding up the fridge. The fridge originally comes with 4 legs. There. That's the 4 legs. But if you prefer to purchase my skateboards, happy to do so. There you go, compressor off. Time now is 5:16, Monday 19th January 2015. Power is still on. Some of these thermometers probably faulty. We're going off a guideline, as we can see in all 4. You can see the frost as they slowly go down. They do sit at a cold temperature. Amazing, I don't know if you can hear it, but the fans on the inside are still spinning around. I think you can see it on the video actually. Pretty quiet. Just wait for this compressor to kick in again. Look at the frost. It's double glazed doors. Oop, motor on again. There you go. Time now 5:19. $5:20, so it'll pretty much put it in like 5:19 and a half. Today is the 21st of January